Forming question word questions, present perfect tense。完咗呢段片，你要答到我幾條問題。第一條 ，type of questions 有幾多種類嘅 questions？ 第二係邊幾種同埋係咩嚟嘅 ？Number 2， 一陣間會提到 question word questions， 請舉出一啲 question words。第三 ，how to form a question with the verb in present perfect tense。你要識得整一條問題係 present perfect tense， 分別係要整一條 yes no question 同埋一條 question word question。接着呢，就係會要整唔同 question word 嘅 question。答你第一條問題有幾多種 questions 呢？ Two types of questions， yes no questions 同埋 question word questions。所謂 yes no question 好明顯，你就係答 yes no。譬如 Are you a student？ 你係咪一個學生啊？你個答案會係 yes 或者 no， 係或者唔係 yes or no。咁你見到只係答是否，佢前面係冇 question word 㗎。第二類 question word questions， 譬如What is your name？ 你叫什麼名字啊？你嘅名是什麼啊？呢個就係其中一個 question word。你唔可以答是否㗎 ，OK？ 你可能答陳大文，你一定係答一樣嘢，又或者另外一題。How long have you been in BMF？ question 呢個 question phrase how long 幾長時間幾耐？你喺某峰已經幾耐啦？咁你可能答1年，可能答1個月嚇，你唔可以答是否㗎。好啦，重複有 two types of questions。第二分別係 yes no question 是否題同埋 question word questions。OK？Yes no question 係答 yes 或者 no，question word questions 係答一個答案嘅，唔可以係 yes no。咁前面係會有 question word 㗎。好，我哋而家跳咗落去 yes no questions。Forming yes no questions 點樣整？點樣由一個答案推論翻條問題？好啦，咁好簡單嘅啫。Change the position of the subject and have 或者 has。記唔記得我哋講過？現在完成式 present perfect tense 個口號係 has 或者 have 加 pp。OK？ 好啦，咁你要整一條 yes no question 是否題，好簡單，轉位置就得㗎啦。轉乜嘢位置啊 ？subject 同埋 have 或者 has 嘅位置。好，睇翻呢一句 ，Miss Lai has completed her work。Miss Lai 呢個人係個 subject 啦 ，has completed 係個 verb。OK，Miss Lai 已經做晒功課，做晒佢工作啦。好啦，咁點樣轉做問題呢？好簡單，將 subject 同埋個 has 個位調轉，變成 has Miss Lai completed her work， 加翻 question mark 就得啦。好，就係咁樣啦。你見到 has Miss Lai completed her work？ has 同埋 Miss Lai 調轉咗，加翻 question mark 完成。條題目呢係問 Miss Lai 是否已經完成咗佢工作？嗱，你見到係問是否題㗎 ，Miss Lai 是否完成佢嘅工作？係答是或者否嘅啫。好啦，第二題例子 ，Gordon and Yanni have finished the redictation。Gordon 同 Yanni 已經做完佢嘅 redictation 啦。好啦，口號 have 同埋 subject 調位。嗱，今次嘅 subject 呢係 Gordon and Yanni 兩個人夾埋一個 subject， 同 have 調位變成 have Gordon and Yanni finished the redictation question mark。Gordon 同埋 Yanni 係咪已經完成咗 redictation 啦？ Have Gordon and Yanni finished the redictation 是否題嚟㗎？ OK， 重複 Have Gordon and Yanni finished the redactation？ Gordon 同埋 Yanni 是否完成咗 redactation 啦？好，咁我哋嚟到呢度呢，已經係答咗好幾條問題。第一 type of questions 有幾多款啦，同埋有邊幾款，就係有2款同埋 yes， 分別係 yes/no question 同埋 question word questions。跟住 how to form a question with verb in present perfect tense， 我哋完成咗點樣整一個 yes/no question。個口號就係 subject 同埋 have 或者 has 轉位置。好啦，咁我哋嚟緊呢，就去呢度啦 question words。好，重溫翻question words， 咁同中文嘅6課差唔多啦嚇。咁who 問邊個誰啦，你會答翻個人嘅。Where 哪裏，你會答翻個地點。Why 為什麼，你會答點解，通常會有 because。How 如何，通常係會有 preposition， 例如 by。譬如 How do you go to school？ 你點樣返學啊？ I go to school by bus， 搭巴士。咁我哋會有個 by 啦。When 嗱喺 present perfect tense 嘅 question 裏面咧少啲 when 嘅，點解啊？我上次when 係咩啊？何時幾時？咁會係有 preposition at， 譬如 at 7 p.m. 或者係 on Monday。OK， 咁但係咧喺 present perfect tense 嘅 question 少啲，因為我哋講過 present perfect tense 現在完成式通常係冇講到時間㗎，通常啫。好啦，另外咧 how 延伸落去咧，how 係如何啊嘛 ，how often 後邊加個形容詞或者 adverb， 幾經常 how much 幾多幾多 how many 都得嘅。咁你視乎係講數得定唔數得啦嚇。how long 幾長 ，how fat 幾肥等等。OK， 好。OK， 去到最尾嗰部分啦 ，forming a question word questions。好，嚟到最後一條問題啦 ，question word questions present perfect tense。今次咧我哋唔係 yes/no question 啦喎 ，forming question word questions。咁我哋都有口號嘅，就係、adding a question word and deleting the answers。係啦，咁即係話除咗subject 同埋 have has 要調位之外咧，仲要加多樣嘢，就係、加個 question word 同埋刪除翻個答案。重複 has have 同 subject 調位，另外仲要係加翻個 question word 同埋刪除答案。Adding a question word and deleting the answers。好啦，例子第一題 ，Miss Lai has completed her work。Miss Lai 已經完成咗佢工作啦。你見到 underline the work 暗示咗呢個係答案 the work。咁即係佢其實問緊咩咧？Miss Lai 完成咗啲乜嘢啊？啲乜嘢啊？乜嘢係咩啊 ？What？ 咁你要加翻個 what。跟住都係嗰步啦 ，subject 同埋 has have 調位。Has Miss Lai completed？ delete 個答案 question。嗱，我哋嚟多次。Miss Lai has completed her work。Miss Lai 完成咗佢工作啦。underline 咗 her work。咁即係話 Miss Lai 已經完成咗乜嘢啊？佢嘅工作。咁即係話呢個係答案啦。好啦，咁我哋要查咗個答案，然之後加翻個乜嘢 what 喺前面。好啦，另外都要 subject has have 調位㗎。變成 What has Miss Lai completed question mark。好啦，呢個就係答案。What has Miss Lai completed？ 呢度好明顯係錯啦，咁就唔要 her work。重複 What has Miss Lai completed question mark。好，我哋繼續去下一題啦。Gordon and Yanni have finished the redactation。嗱，佢間住咗 Gordon and Yanni， 咁即係話呢個係答案啦。咁即係點呢？邊個完成咗保密啊？好啦，邊個係 who？ 嗱，呢個特別啲㗎，因為見到佢冇咗個 subject 啦，個 subject 已經係 who， 咁所以呢度冇得調位咯喎。嗱，留意冇得調位咯喎。Who have finished the redactation question mark？ 好，咁我哋睇一睇答案。Who finished the redactation。你見到係 finish 咧，仍然係黐埋一齊㗎，冇調到位，因為問緊 who。好，又睇多個例子。Panfin has not left school yet because he has not finished his homework。彭歡仲未離開學校，因為佢仲未完成功課。好啦，呢一個因為好明顯係答案啦。問要答因為咁即係問點解啦？點解係 why 加 question word 查答案，跟住 has 同埋 subject 調位。嗱，呢個留意下，呢個係 has not 咁一齊調噶啦，擺上嚟 has not hasn't Panfin 答案 Why hasn't Panfin left school yet? Question mark。好，睇一睇啦。Why hasn't Panfin left school yet？ 咁啊，你見到留意啊，特別留意個即係呢一個嘅 hasn't 得唔得？咁佢 has not 咧就一齊擺喺前面，變成簡寫會好好多。好啦，下一題。Louis and Jerry have gone to the CTV。CTV 地方即係問邊度啦，咁即係 where。跟住 subject 呢個 subject 係 Louis and Jerry 兩個人夾埋一個 subject， 同 have 調位。Where have Louis and Jerry gone? Question mark。好，睇答案。Where have Louis and Jerry gone? 好啦，下一題。Two C students have learned English for 8 years， 有8年啦。即係問咩啊？幾長時間？幾長係 how long？ 好啦，查答案。How long have 同 subject 調位 have two C students how long have two C students learned English? Question mark。睇答案。How long have two C students learned English? Sorry， 呢個 Jerry 唔係㗎。好，下一題。I have made 10 new friends。10 new friends， 咁即係問幾多個新朋友啦。10即係問幾多個啦？幾多係咩啊 ？How many？ 幾多個新朋友 ？How many new friends？ 好啦，加 question word 查答案。How many new friends？ 好啦 ，have 同埋 subject 調位 ，I 變 you 啊嚇。成題 How many new friends have you made？ Question mark。好，睇答案。How many new friends have you made？ 好，咁去到最尾呢，我哋呢最尾呢一點都答埋啦。How to form a question word question？ 咁我哋係有口號嘅，記唔記得啊？就係加 question word， 然之後減答案。OK？ 好，咁我哋重溫翻一次呢呢段片啦。咁第一 type of questions 有幾多 type of question 呢？有兩種。One is yes/no question， 係答 yes 同埋 no， 佢係冇 question word 嘅。第二種係 question word questions， 佢有 question word， 唔可以淨係答 yes/no。Number two question words 有邊幾個啊？等於你中文6項 ：what 什麼 ，where 哪裏 ，when 何時 ，who 誰 ，why 點解，同埋 how 怎樣。how 咧可以答其他嘅，包括 how many 幾多 ，how much 幾多，how long 幾長 ，how fat 幾肥等等。第三 ，how to form question with the verb in present perfect tense。好啦，重溫翻 present perfect tense 係 have 或者 has 加 pp。好啦，當你 form yes/no question 嘅時候，好簡單，將 has 或者 have 同個 subject 調位。口號就係 has 或者 have 同 subject 調位，而 question word question 呢，除咗要調位之外，個口號係加 question word 減 answer。好，講住咁多啦。So the end，bye。